Hello, this is a root folder which we have uh, images folder, and images folder have these are the assessed logo and the doctor's photo. Okay, so I have already opened the Sublime text editor, so I'm going to create new file, and in the bottom right section here you can see the showing the plain text. So we click on this option and choose the option HTML. Okay, and the type HTML, and here we will type in the title hospital website. Okay, so control S to save. Here we will type the index. Okay, and we need to another file as a CSS, so we will use a external CSS. So I'm going to create a new again. Okay, so again we are going to choose the file extension, choose as a CSS. Okay, and the control S to save here in the root folder. Okay, style, and here we will type body box sizing, border box, margin 0 px, padding 0 px. Okay, and in the index file we are going to link this CSS file. Okay, so just we need to type the link and control space, then will be appear this. So click on the enter, and here the link rail style sheet, type text and CSS. Okay, so here we will type the name of the file. So we have in this folder, root folder, so root folder have the style sheet, so we will type here style.css. Okay, if the style folder uh, have the different folder, then we need to put the folder name also. So no need to put another thing. Here we just type the name of the CSS. Okay, so here I am going to type division, top section, section top. Okay, so in the top section just we are going to put here division header. Okay, in the header section just we are going to put division for logo. Okay, and another thing for the menu, so div dot nav. Okay, so in the logo section division we are going to put img. Okay, src we have the put it logo in the images folder, so copy this have the type is png, so I'm going to type here images. Okay, because exist in the images folder first. Okay, images logo dot png. Okay, and here I'm going to type uh, menu name. Okay, home, here we are copying. Okay, about our department. Okay, and doctor and contact. Okay, so I'm going to in CSS folder, and here we will define a variable for the color. Okay, so colon root. Okay, here we will type the name of color which you want to declare variable as. Okay, here paste it, and we are copy this top class, and here we will define here height 500 px and background color will be variable uh, main color. Okay, and view in browser. Okay, here. Okay, so I'm defining my header, so copy this, display flags, justify content space between. Okay, uh, a legion item center, and width is 85%. Okay, refresh this page. So currently this is not alignment in the center, so we need to add only one thing here: margin 0 auto. It will be center. Okay, so here we need to add some padding on top. So padding top 10 px. Okay, another for the content division content. Okay, under content we need to type here left content. Okay, and another div also required here, division right content. Okay, okay, in s2. Okay, and also here we need to add two button. Okay, two button here required: learn more, and copy this, paste here, sign in. Okay, and right content we need to put a image. Okay, img src images. Under the images we have doctor. This is a png file, so doctor2 dot png. Okay, and reload this page. So we need to styling this content first. Display flags. Okay, justify content space between we need to put this. Okay, and width is 85% also. And reload this page. Okay, and one thing also here for the alignment in setter. Reload this page. Okay, it's showing correct. So first we need to design this menu. Okay, so we need to go navbar. Okay, nav a hyperlink. We need to color white, and here we need to define a white color also here. So goes here white. Okay, and colon, paste here, and we need to put here variable white. Okay, so it will be work. And here we need to text decoration none, margin right 10 px. Okay, and we need to put a font Poppins. Okay, Poppins, select the this one, and not italic, only the regular font. Okay, we need to select whole thing, not required any italic font. Okay, so click on this icon and goes to import and copy this and put it here. Okay, and font family Poppins. Copy this font name. Okay, and reload this page. It will be work. Okay, showing good. Just we need to add something for the menu. Font weight 300 and reload this page, and font size 14 px. Okay, not looking good in 14, so here we will put 17. Okay, now it's good. So now we need to adjust our image top here. Okay, we need to copy and paste on the top. Okay, and reload now. It's looking good. So we need to style this uh, heading. Okay, content, left content. Okay, left content, and here we need to put for s3 font size 20, sorry, 20 px, font weight 300, color variable white. Okay, and padding 0. And also we need to put here margin 0 px. Okay, reload, and we need to also style s2. 30 px, 500 font weight, color white. Okay, same thing for also, only we need to add 900. Okay, 700, 400. Reload this page. Left content, width 50, 50%. Okay, we need to copy here for the this paragraph. So copy and paste here. Font size 14 px, line height 1.6 rem, and also we need to put the font weight 200. Okay, color variable white, text alignment justify. Okay, here we will increase the font size both S3 and the S2. Okay, so came here in style CSS, and for the S3 we need to increase the font size as 40. Okay, and reload. Yes, and for the S2, actually here have S3 first one, S2 hospital specialties. Okay, for S2 we need to add 45 and reload the page. So here we need to uppercase for the S2. So for the uppercase we need to text transform uppercase. Okay, and reload the page. Yes, now it's showing good. Okay, so we need to design this link. So came in the HTML and copy this content dot left content hyperlink. Okay, so here we need to add the first background. Okay, background variable color name white's not showing, we need to check white. Here have some issue with auto suggestion uh, with the Sublime text editor. Here I am switching my another text editor. So I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can use this Visual Studio Code, the good. Okay, have my hospital website folder properties. I'm changing as a Visual Studio Code. Okay, and I'm opening with Visual Studio Code. Okay, and also open this index file. Okay, right click here and show preview. Okay, and copy this, paste here. Okay, here we will maximize button here. Okay, okay, and auto adjust here, and here we will design um, this link, hyperlink button. Okay, so padding 10 px. Okay, and border radius, and we can say 10. Okay, and text decoration none. Okay, and here we will add a uh, animation, and when we are going to hover on the button, then we will animate something. So here a hover. Okay, this is a pseudo class. Padding left 10 px. Okay, and not 10, here we are adding 20. uh, Padding right 18 px. Okay, you are hovering. Okay, but here we need to transition, then it will be showing the as a animate, so 0.5 second. Now it's good. Okay, so after that, here we will use a icon. So here we will use a after. Okay, after, here we need add content blank. For now we will add a icon, CSS icon code here, but here now we will add position relative. When we are adding relative, we need to first add position relative, and it will be, this is a pseudo class. We will here adjustment on this block. We need to first parent block, we need to put a position relative, then we will put here position absolute. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Okay, top 10 px. Okay, and here we will add a icon, html code icon. Okay, so you can find here anything, any icon looking for button. This one we will use for this icon. Okay, now showing. Okay, and right minus 20 px. Okay, it will gone, and here we will add a semicolon and add a on the hover. Okay, hover after. Okay, here we need to also add a opacity 0, and here we will add opacity 1, and right uh, 10 px, and here we need to check here. Okay, we need to add 6 px. Okay, for the adjusting looking good now. Okay, we are going to create about section. After this div we need to put a another section, and we will arrange the about section. Okay, so we need to minimize this section. This is a top section. We will add here a another section. Okay, and section class it will be about us. Okay, and under the about section we need to put a main about section, division dot main about. Okay, in this division we need to put two uh, division, one is left, one is a right. Okay, so division about left. Okay, and division about right. Okay, left side have the s2. Okay, about us, and here also have a paragraph. Okay, we need to type lorem ipsum. We need to copy these many. Okay, and put here. Okay, and here we need a hyperlink. Okay, read more. Okay, so control yes and reload this page. Now we need to put in the right have a image. Okay, so img src in the about, in the images we have the about group name image. Okay, so first we need to put the images folder name, then about group jpg. Okay, okay, so now we need to style this section first. We need to go to bottom, and here we will type the about us background color variable white. Okay, margin 0 px. Okay, and after that we need to style main about. Okay, so paste here, and in the curly braces we need to type display flags. Okay, width is 85%. Why we are putting 85%? We have already defined the top 85%, so that's why we need to put width everywhere 85% as a looking as a same. Okay, and now justify content space between. Okay, allusion item center. Okay, so now we need to control yes to save and reload this page to see what happened. Okay, so one thing here we need to put margin because here we are, why we are adding here margin 0 and auto, because it will be center. Okay, I think it's looking good.